Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial of each binomial square displayed on the screen. To solve these exercises I'm going to use the formula for binomial square a minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. When I apply the formula for the first binomial square, I get a squared b x cubed in parentheses squared minus 2 times a squared b x cubed multiplied by a to the 4th power b squared y to the 5th power plus a to the 4th power b squared y to the 5th power in parentheses squared. This equals to a to the 4th power b squared x to the 6th power minus 2a to the 6th power b cubed x cubed y to the 5th power plus a to the 8th power b to the 4th power and y to the 10th. Next exercise. When I apply the formula, I get b to the 6th x squared y to the 5th power in parentheses squared minus 2 times b to the 6th x squared y to the 5th power multiplied by a cubed x y to the 4th power plus a cubed x y to the 4th power in parentheses square. This equals to b to the 12th power x to the 4th power y to the 10th minus 2 times a cubed b to the 6th power x cubed y to the 9th power plus a to the 6th power x squared y to the 8th power. Next exercise. When I apply the formula for binomial square, this equals to a x cubed y to the 7th power z to the 4th power in parentheses squared minus 2 times a x cubed y to the 7th power z to the 4th power multiplied by a to the 5th b squared x to the 9th z to the 8th power plus a to the 5th b squared x to the 9th z to the 8th power in parentheses squared. This equals to a squared x to the 6th power y to the 14th power z to the 8th power minus 2 a to the 6th power b squared x to the 12th power y to the 7th power and z to the 12th power plus a to the 10th power b to the 4th x to the 18th power and z to the 16th power. And last exercise, when I apply the formula, it equals to a to the 6th power c squared x to the 4th z to the 7th in parentheses squared minus 2 times a to the 6th c squared x to the 4th z to the 7th power multiplied by a cubed b to the 5th y to the 9th z plus a cubed b to the 5th power y to the 9th z in parentheses squared. When I simplify further, this equals to a to the 12th c to the 4th x to the 8th power z to the 14th power minus 2a to the 9th power b to the 5th power c squared x to the 4th y to the 9th and z to the 8th power plus a to the 6th power b to the 10th power y to the 18th power and z squared. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.